If you've been creating AI animated videos, you're probably familiar with the challenge of maintaining character consistency. Traditionally, you'd need to generate individual images for your characters, create multiple scenes, and then animate them using an AI video generator, a time-consuming process. But what if you could do all of this within a single tool? Sounds exciting, right? Let me introduce you to a tool that handles all the heavy lifting for you. Let's dive in. The tool we're talking about is Animate AI. This is their website, and as you can see, they've generated some impressive animated videos using this platform. If you hover over the showcase section, you'll find various categories like AI animation story, AI movie trailer, AI motivational story, AI kids bedtime story, and even AI relaxing lo-fi music clips. These categories showcase the full potential of this AI tool and the types of videos you can create. By exploring any of these categories, you'll see professionally generated films and trailers made using this tool. Let's play one of them. Just look at the output. The consistency in character design and animation quality is remarkable, with a style similar to high-end animations. Here are a few more examples to demonstrate the range of stories this AI can bring to life. Now, let's take a look at its features. Animate AI offers an AI-consistent character generator that ensures consistency across different scenes. It also includes an AI storyboard generator, AI full video generator workflow, and AI model integration like Kling AI, Huniwan, and Minimax. There's even a built-in AI video enhancer to improve quality, plus an AI video generator on autopilot mode where you just need to enter a prompt, and the AI takes care of the rest. The platform also provides free AI video generation templates. You might be wondering if you need to perform each step manually. The answer is no. Simply click Get Started for free to access the interface, and if I click on the settings, here are the advanced settings. In the advanced settings, you can control the number of scenes. Let's set it to 5. You can also adjust the video duration, with options ranging from 5 seconds to 10 seconds, with more options coming soon. The tool also allows you to select animation styles such as Pixar or Disney and tweak the aspect ratio. Currently, some features are still in beta, but once fully released, you'll have full customization options. The default aspect ratio is 16:9, and the resolution is set at 720p. Moving to the text generation models, you'll find options like GPT-4, Gemini, and Claude 3.5. The tool even integrates GPT-4o, one of the best AI models for generating text-based stories. For video generation, Animate AI incorporates leading AI tools like Minimax, Runway, Luma, and Kling, with Minimax as the default model. In the voiceover section, there's a range of voice options, categorized by male and female voices. If enabled, the AI will automatically add voiceovers to your videos, powered by 11 Labs, a leading AI voice model. Now, let's test a prompt. Before starting, make sure auto mode is enabled. For example, let's enter a story idea, an influencer journey from struggling days to become famous actor. Once you hit generate, the AI begins crafting the story, creating characters and generating scenes, all in just a few minutes. Let's check the result.
Alex's unexpected tumble into the fountain was the spark that ignited his viral fame. With newfound fame, Alex embraced his clumsiness, turning it into a comedic art form. Alex's transformation was complete as he walked the red carpet, a testament to his incredible journey.
As you can see, the AI successfully maintains character consistency across all scenes, ensuring that the outfits, expressions, and animation style remain cohesive. If you're not satisfied with the auto-generated videos, you can opt for manual editing, which gives you more control. To do this, simply disable auto mode and enter your own ideas. Each step will require manual prompts. However, based on my experience, the auto mode is not only efficient, but also a huge time saver compared to manual editing. Here are some examples of videos created by other users using this tool. You can watch and even download them, but I strongly recommend creating your own videos to avoid copyright issues. Use these as inspiration or for learning purposes. Currently, Animate AI is in its beta phase, but you can also access the paid version for additional features. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. That's all for today. See you in the next video.